Dear listeners, pronouns. Pronouns are words used in the place of a noun. Without pronouns, we would have to keep on repeating nouns, and that would make our speech and writing repetitive. Examples of pronouns are I, me, she, we, they, who, that, yours, myself, herself, etc. There are many different kinds of pronouns, but mainly there are 7 types. The first is personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, and last, relative pronouns. Let's understand them one by one. The very first is personal pronouns. Personal pronouns. A personal pronoun is a pronoun that is related mainly to a particular person. Personal pronouns are not limited to people and can also refer to animals and objects. For example, I, you, he, she, it, they, me, etc. For example, Naveen is a doctor. He is a doctor. He is used in place of Naveen as a person, so he is a personal pronoun. Another example is the laptop is on the desk, and we can use the word it in place of laptop. It is on the desk, so it is a personal pronoun. The next is possessive pronouns. Like its name suggests, a possessive pronoun indicates ownership or possession. For example, mine, yours, hers, theirs. It shows who or what something belongs to. For example, it's not yours, it's mine now. So here, yours and mine, they show possession and hence are good examples of possessive pronouns. This pen is my pen, not your pen. Well, we can write this as this pen is mine, not yours. So, word mine and yours are examples of possessive pronouns. Let's jump on to third type of pronouns, and they are reflexive pronouns, where the words myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, or themselves are used. Reflexive pronouns are used when the object is same as the subject. They end in self or selves. For example, the boy kicked himself. She made herself coffee. You should address the letter to yourself. Here, himself, herself, and yourself. They all are examples of reflexive pronouns. They are used for subject only. Boy, himself. She, herself. You, yourself. So they are same as subject. The next is demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns are used to replace specific people or things that have been previously mentioned. They are this, that, these, and those. A demonstrative pronoun tells us whether it is replacing something singular or plural and whether that thing or things are close by or far away. This and that represent singular nouns, whereas these and those, they represent plural nouns. This represents something close by, that represents something far away. Similarly, for plural one, these represents something close by, those represents something far away. The next type of pronouns is interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used to ask questions. They will definitely have WH word. Means whose, which, whom, what, etc. These are the detectives of the pronoun group. They help the speaker find information by asking questions. For example, what is known about the case? Who is coming to the party? What do you have in your tiffin? The next is indefinite pronoun. An indefinite pronoun does not refer to any specific person, thing, or amount. For example, all, another, any, anybody, anyone, anything, something, many, few, etc. For example, many are called but few are chosen. Everyone says she is beautiful. Here, everyone, many, few, these are all examples of indefinite pronoun. Because we do not know the definite number, so they are indefinite pronouns. The next type of pronoun is relative pronoun. A relative pronoun is one which is used to refer to nouns mentioned previously, whether they are people, place, things, animals, or ideas. It means we have mentioned noun previously and later on we are writing something or speaking something in relation to that noun. Examples of relative pronouns are who, which, whose, that, where, when. Relative pronouns, they point to a noun to show which person, place or thing is being discussed. For example, the man who is standing there is my brother. Or the cyclist who won the race trained hard. The girl who is in pink dress is my sister. This is personal pronoun chart. It is for your better understanding and convenience. Pronoun I is a subjective pronoun. It becomes me when we use it as an objective pronoun. For example, I did it myself. This was done to me. When we convert this into possessive pronoun, it will become my, mine. For example, this is my car. Or this car is mine. When self word is used to my, it will become a reflexive pronoun. For example, I did this work myself. In the same way, we will become us in objective case. For example, we have done this. This was done by us. Don't touch our car. This car is ours. We have done this work ourselves. Whereas you will remain you in subjective as well as in objective case. For example, you did this. This was done by you. Thanks for watching.